इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैटलैब। मैटलैब जो है ना करेंगे अभी। मैटलैब पावर ऑफ कंप्यूटेशनल मैथमेटिक्स, फीचर ऑफ मैटलैब कौन से हैं, एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ मैटलैब के मैटलैब तो पहले हम पढ़ेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन मैटलैब। मैटलैब विच इज़ डिराइव फ्रॉम मैट्रिक्स लेबोरेटरी। MATLAB Matrix Laboratory. It is developed by MathWorks. It incorporates numerical computations, symbolic computations, graphics, and programming. As the name suggests, it is particularly oriented toward matrix computations, solving system level equations, computation agent values and agent vectors, factoring matrix, and so forth. In addition, it has a variety of graphical capability and can be extended through program written in its own programming language. It allows plotting of functions and data implementations of algorithm, cutting of user interfacing with the programs written in other languages, including C, C++, Java, and Fortran, analyzing data, develop algorithms, and create a model and application. It has a numerous built-in commands and math functions that help you in mathematical calculations, generating plot and performing numerical method. MATLAB's power of computations mathematics. MATLAB is used in every facet of computations mathematical. Following are some commonly used mathematical calculations where it is used most commonly, dealing with matrix and array, 2D, two-dimensional and 3D, three-dimensional plotting and graphics, linear algebra, algebraic equations, nonlinear functions, statistics, data analysis, calculus and differential equations, numerical calculations, integrations, transformations, curve fitting, various other specifications. Feature of MATLAB. Following are the basis feature of MATLAB. It is fourth generation's high-level language for numerical computation, visualizations, and application development. It also provides an interactive environment for iteration, iterative explorations, design, and problem solving. It provides vast library of mathematical functions for algebra studies, Fourier analysis, filtering, optimism, numerical integrations, and solving ordinary differential equations. It provides built-in graphics for visual data and tools for creating custom plot. MATLAB programming interface gives development tools for improving code quality and maintainability and maximizing performance. It provides tools for building applications with a custom graphical interface. It provides functions for integration, MATLAB-based algorithm with external applications and language such as C, Java, .NET, and Microsoft Excel. MATLAB is applications of MATLAB. MATLAB is widely used as a computation tool in science and engineering, encompassing in the fields of physics, chemistry, math, and all engineering streams. It is used in the range of applications including signal processing and computations, image and video processing, control system, test and measurement, computational finance, computational biology. MATLAB is available in both commercial and academic variants. It means you can use in MATLAB in mobile and as well as your computer. That is its features.